My name is Miss Callie, and I am a pre-service teacher at Tarleton State University. Today we are going to be learning about a very special sound in words, the sound. Have you ever noticed that sometimes when we talk, we make a sound that goes like this? That sound comes from two letters that work together, T and H. When these two letters work together, that is called a digraph. Can you say the word digraph? Great. Now let's look at how we make the sound. Watch me closely. I'm going to place my tongue between my teeth like this, and then blow air out like this. Let's all try together. Ready? Say like this. Perfect. Now listen to me say a few words with the sound in them. I'm going to say them slowly. Pay attention. This. With. Thumb. Thick. Did you hear the sound in those words? Awesome job, everyone. Let's practice a few more words together. I'll say the word and I want you to repeat it back to me. Ready? Both. Thunder. Three. Think. You did an amazing job. You're starting to become experts at making the sound. Now let's talk about something special. Sometimes the sound is a little different. Can you think of any words where the sound is soft? Like in the word thin, the sound in thin is soft, like when you gently blow air through your teeth. But in words like this or that, the sound is harder with a strong at the beginning. Let's do a fun little challenge. I'm going to say two words, and I want you to tell me which one of the words has the sound in it. Make sure our listening ears are on. Ready? Cat or that. That is right. Is at the beginning of the word that. Let's try the words sit and this. Great job. This has the sound at the beginning. You all did such a wonderful job today. Now remember the sound in words like think or thunder. Keep practicing and soon you'll be hearing it everywhere. Thank you all for working so hard today. You are all fantastic learners and listeners, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Goodbye.